Jeez and peace, how I could do now? Yes, officer.
Let me see the registrar and driver listen.
Yes, me I hear you.
We are talking about here. I say I want to see the driver listen.
Oh, driver's license and registration.
Hey boy, don't carry if you can't. Hey, man, raise the price for the ticket.
Sorry.
Sure.
Officer.
Alright.
But anyways, why you stop me though?
Don't worry about that. Right or left, young man?
What you mean by right or left?
Right, me write the ticket, left, you left the money. If me write the ticket, you pay money. But if you left the money, me not write the ticket.
But anyway, you take it, man, still have to pay money, so me not understand.
Idiot! Obviously, you get 50% off, dumb. Scooby-Doo.
Anyways, give me my ticket. Me not take no bribe from no.
Alright, driving without light, check. Looking like a dumb, check.
Jesus.
Alright, what else? Oh! Driving without seat belt, sealer. Big, wait, a case years ago?
Yes, I think a big school.
Curtis, Cadere, touch me there, you.
Yeah, I win super cup.
We soon yesterday, man, but you know, it's a Calabar music. Yeah, man. So, as a different ticket that you told us is gonna be $100, $500, and $89,000. Bar.